there's not a believer except that at times he's going to go through sadness, and there's times where he's going to rejoice, right? As-sa'a bi-sa'a. Times like this and times like that. The advice that he gave was, when you're feeling sad, be patient, and when things are going well for you, be thankful. Where he talks about two halves, the half of patience and the half of being thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let me start off this lecture, my brothers and my sisters, with this statement of Ibn Taymiyyah rahmatullahi alayhi. He says, Al-masaibu ni'mah. Trials and tribulations and hardships are indeed a blessing. Also Ibn al-Qayyim rahmatullahi alayhi, he says, ما كسر الله عبده المؤمن إلا ليجبره ولا منعه إلا ليعطيه. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at times, right, tests you and you feel broken, He doesn't do that except that He wants to bring you back up stronger. And He doesn't hold back something from you that you really want, except because Allah wants to give you that which is better. وَلَا ابْتَلَاهُ بِخَفَاءِ النَّاسِ أو بِجَفَاءِ النَّاسِ إِلَّا لِيَرُدَّهُ إِلَى اللَّهِ أو لِيَرُدَّهُ إِلَيْهِ. And sometimes people treat you badly, right? People are mistreating you only for you to return back to Allah Azza wa Jal. That's what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wishes for you when He goes through these trials and tribulations that Allah has decreed for you, right? And subhanallah, you know, it's many. Even Ibn al-Qayyim rahmatullahi alayhi says, لولا محن الدنيا ومصائبها لأصاب العبد من أدواء الكبر والعجب والفرعنة وقسوة القلب. If it wasn't for all of these trials and tribulations, you know what would happen, my brothers and my sisters? One would be walking on the face of this earth with arrogance, thinking he's something. He would start picking up all of these traits. والفرعنة, he even says Fir'auni characteristics that you will end up picking up. I've seen so many who thought they were gangsters, right? They needed their legs to be broken in order for them now to be humble. And now he's sitting at home. But before, he was walking around thinking that he's on cloud 9. So he says, if it wasn't for these trials and tribulations, one would be afflicted with the diseases of arrogance, self-amazement. He would pick up traits of Fir'aun. And also what? Hardness of the heart. We are humbled, brothers and sisters. And then he says, وَمِن رَحْمَةِ أَرْحَمِ الرَّاحِمِينَ. From the mercy of the one that's most merciful. أَن يَتَفَقَّدَهُ فِي بَعْضِ الْأَحْيَانِ. That at times, He makes him go through these hardships in order to keep his feet on the ground.